Presently now, I'm on this new building and we have our brother and teacher here. And one day I do my Kwara
Okay. Afọ mbụ m na-Emeka Christopher Ikwo. Nọ m onye ụlọ ala na-akụziri
Wow.
CSS.
I'm not forgetting one nwoke more Ugwuagwu. So where I do my because it's one name or because I am about this building before. Not very new thing to us.
Okay. Building ahụ bụ yes, dilapidated building. Okay. So since 1994, when you want to use it. So when that's the time they were ready to one or two things before. So last year, Obichu Mabela, now got around to school. Obichu, the structure like this, Bobatandor, Sana, teachers, so that teachers got an as residents here, now in school. So,
Presently today, I'm on live at Community Secondary School, Akpo. Community Secondary School, Akpo. Okay, some people G Ugwuagwu. If you look around, at the school premises are go fenced. All the go fenced throughout. From Eba, Watakwatu, it's a very big land. So, today, you have Eba Hana Ugwuagwu before. So, we are going to enter inside the school. I'm Maloma because now students they can have a go break. I'm Maloma Mulunda. I took one or two questions. So, because this is not the way here has been for some years back, Ugwuagwu has now been fenced. Let's go inside and have a look. Akpo. Yes, this thing. Na person do am. So let's go inside and know how this come to reality. Because first I go block 2 plot of land or 10 plot or 20 plot of land. So we just go inside. Yeah, school era and Atawa cashew. Cashew. Right now, I don't even the school premises. Only now I the school premises. See a photo cashew tree. Cashew trees. Here we hear you mala Ugwuagwu. You got both mango tree. In our side, I got 4 mango trees, cashew trees. Like, and we're enough of fruits here. The school was a very large, as in land marked yard is very, very, very large. Let's go inside the school. These are the premises of Community Secondary School. Akpo. These are the students going back to their classes because the break is over. Iguleba, what do you know the school for? How about go class? My name is normal in dating on outside. We're watching dating. Na one dating. Didn't run at school. We have some new buildings over here. Now these are one of the old structures which most of the old students, that's old boys and girls. So on a community secondary school, I think you can still remember this structure. If you can. Do you still remember here? So But ongoing, many new projects are going on at community secondary school. Akpo. They are getting the old structures down and having the new structures being constructed. Hmm? You understand? So there's a Sagro neve. Nobody man. Yenu nke na-eme. Yeah. Yeah. You're seeing the fencing. This is one of the old building and the oldest building here in community secondary school. Right now, we are going to play some games with some of the students you see here. Aya Juju, Obo na Izatia. Izatia. Each question is 1,000. If you can get it right. So we have to go and meet some students outside there. Let's know if they have answered to our questions. Let's go. So, anyway, we're game I actually play Kita. Just a quick one. You understand? I ask question. No one is at the question. You know you are part of the game. Is that the question? I'll give you 1,000. This school is known with 3 names. What's the major name? The school. They put the name of the school. CSS. That's Community Secondary School. Akpo. Which other 2 names? Kejimaya. When you choose, you go.
Yes.
The answer, my friend.
Akpo, yes. And Ugwuagwu.
Akpo. When also try. About girls with community secondary school, they are still the same. Try. You don't know again. Ugwuagwu. Go on, yeah, try. You don't have to say a guy named Ose Ejima school.
Within all 9 months.
All right. That's also Ugwuagwu and Akpo girls. I show you also match. As in, OGs, especially my name. Almost Ugwuagwu Kejimaya. Alright, let's go. Okay, now another quick question. Imala, is Akwana now nothing for you? Who fenced this school? Is Akwana? Are you to answer? Oh, no,
Yes, I want to answer this. OG Chuma.
Eh?
OG Chuma.
No, Nazanian. OG Chuma. As Chuma Obi. Okay. No, Nazanian. That's the name like when you're king. Let's continue. So, this is still the project.
That's all they did for the positive impact in school.
Yeah, it's for the positive impact. So, Now you are seeing the cashews. Nick, I'm forgetting that it's nice. Wow.
So you get the way this side. Oh, you get the way. You say it.
Yeah.
That's what
Okay. Okay, so and if you watch down, this is the field, and I think there must be a plan for this field because all the people level like this, a mini stadium might come here. The way I'm seeing it, this is still inside the school to tell you how large it is. So, if I look at now, we saw this new building. Presently now, I know this new building, and we have our brother and teacher here. And one day I do make a
okay. Afọ mbụ m na-Emeka Christopher Ikwo. I'm only well na kuzere.
Wow.
Yes.
I'm not forgetting one nine okay. More so before I do make it, since one name more because I am about this building before.
Okay.
Building to us.
Okay. Building now bụ yes, dilapidated building. Okay. So since 1994, when you want to use it. So when that's a mezie here we regular one or two things before. So last year Odichuma na aga around the school.
Odichuma.
We do the structure like this Bobatando Sana teachers so that teachers can upon as residents here now in school. So at the time they came, they took inventory of what is here, made proposed for the plan, the building plan to be announced. This is four flats here.
Four flats.
That is 8 flats.
Okay.
For principal and the teachers and the corpers that will be coming in as well to the residents.
Wow.
So that is it.
Wow. So onye rụrụ ya na nze Odichuma Obi onye ji ife a etuli ya
Chukwu ka ọ dị n'aka.
Akpo. Wow, it's very good because I bịara fụkwa both the fencing.
Ọkwa nyanwa mere fence now.
Nyanwa mere
fence now all around the school. And take away the school gates, beautify the school gate the way it is.
Mama ties.
The ties not there.
Chukwu dị n'aka. So now come close ka ndị mmadụ fụọ the block na na-ekwu. But for legal functional now.
Yes, I know actually with the 28th of February. We got the date for the
Wow.
I will tell you in January, this January. So in line up our very so by 28th now, if they again operate the house, then we can now take possession of the house.
Wow. But these ones they are locked, right?
Most of them is okay. So this one should be.
You are checking them on the table in Africa. Wow. Mr. OG2.
Yes. Wow.
These are that our rooms are here. Okay. These rooms.
This one.
Wow. Can see. So no more teachers living outside the school premises or the corpus. Wow.
This will be the second room.
Wow.
Sharp.
Wow. can see it. This is great. This is great. This is great. Kitchen. Wow. You can see the kitchen. I'm not going to do that because others are under construction. You understand? This is so amazing. Clean and fair. Here's the toilets. The two toilets. Wow. Great. Yes, this is the teacher's quarter. Hmm? Wait for ya. I see for them maybe I wanna go by. Hmm? Is it done by one man squad to cook the naka. We hear you, sir.